Video opens with a dynamic shot of someone working on a laptop, then quickly cuts to various online course interfaces. Hey everyone! Ever feel like a 4-year degree is too slow for the fast-paced world we live in? What if you could gain job-ready skills in just a few months, or even weeks? Well, you can. Welcome to the world of microcredentials and nano degrees. Think of them as focused, bite-sized learning programs designed to teach you specific in-demand skills. Whether it's digital marketing, data analysis, or coding, these courses cut out the fluff and get straight to the point. They're flexible, often more affordable, and created in partnership with top companies to ensure you're learning exactly what employers are looking for. This isn't about replacing traditional education, but enhancing it. It's about upskilling quickly and staying relevant in your career. So, if you're ready to level up your skills on your own terms, the future of flexible learning is already here. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. See you in the next video.